Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to switch the cabin air filter on the 2017 Ford Explorer. Now, if your family has allergies to pollen or bacteria, you have some sick kids, this is definitely an episode for you. An easy filter to replace, and it affects you directly. So let's jump in it and get that filter replaced so you and your family can start breathing easy. Make sure you smash that like button if this video helps you, and subscribe to the channel for even more DIY auto repair. Let's jump in it. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and replace the cabin air filter in the 2017 Ford Explorer. If your family is anything like mine, dust and pollen, all the bacteria is not great for the kids, and my wife has terrible allergies. So we're going to go ahead and replace the cabin air filter by opening up our glove box. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open up our glove box. If you look to the right, you will see a cord. Bring that cord towards you and you will be able to take it off. I will show later in the video why this cord was not installed on my glove box. And inside there are two tabs. You do not need to push the tabs or anything. Take the inside of the glove box and push it down like that. Okay, it's going to release the two tabs and you can bring the glove box down some. Alright, once you move your glove box entirely out of the way, you can see what it's going to look like this. It has two snaps on the bottom. Just move them and it will unsnap. Okay, the side that faces the filter will have that styrofoam insert. So let's see how bad this thing is, because it looks terrible already. Oh, we took it out just like this. Okay, look at that. So that comes in from the outside. All that, there's hair in there and dirt and dust, and that's the side that you actually are breathing after it's filtered out. So let's go ahead and throw the new one in. That's nasty, and we will be good to go after we throw that new one in there. The airflow will be facing down on the cabin air filter. We'll go ahead and reinsert the new one, and you and your family will be able to breathe comfortably this season with all the pollen in the air. There we go. Nice. It's back on there. We can go ahead and take the lid right here, and we're gonna go ahead, put the tabs in on the top, and then push it into place till you hear that click. Right, there we go. And it's nice and good to go. We can go ahead and move our glove box back into position now and reattach the glove box cord as well. The last person that was in here left it in the back for me, so I get to reinstall that. Yay! Alright, we went ahead and got the glove box back into position. Make sure you got your cord on there, and boom, fits right into that little slot right there. That way opens and shuts wonderfully. There you go, guys. Your cabin air filter is good to go. You should feel a lot more air coming out of the air vents, and also should smell a lot cleaner as well. So thanks for watching, everyone. All right, what did I say, everyone? an easy repair to do to your 2017 Ford Explorer. I did throw all the other years that this video is equivalent to as well on the other year Explorers, that you can find your cabin air filter in the same location and the same part. If you're looking for the parts and tools used in today's video, you can find them down below in the video description to save you the hunt to find the right cabin air filter for your family. Thanks everyone for watching, and until next time, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care, everyone.